Hi students, today chapter wise specimen question 12 standard. Today's chapter is differentiation part 3. In my previous class we have done part 2, there was 8 question. Now part 3, there are 6 question from part 3 which are important for IC CBSE West Bengal Board 12 standard for the year 2020-2021. Now let's start from sum number 17. Question number 17 is here. Y equals to e to the power m cos inverse x. We have to prove this. Let us differentiate with respect to x. Here dy by dx equals to e to the power m cos inverse x. E to the power x is e to the power x. Then by chain rule m cos inverse integration minus differential 1 minus 1 by root over 1 by x square by chain rule. E to the power x is differentiation e to the power x, m is constant, cos inverse differentiation minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Now this coming left hand side root over of 1 minus x square minus my, because e to the power m cos inverse is y. Now squaring both sides, e to the power y, then 1 here dy by dx equals to this difference, squaring both sides, 1 minus x square dy by dx whole square equals to m square y square. Now again the second order derivative d2y by dx2, again differentiating with respect to x, this is constant, 1 minus x square constant, derivative of this is 2 dy by dx into d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx whole square is constant and the differentiate of this is minus 2x equals to m square y square derivative 2y dy by dx. Now dividing 2 this is common and this is common, dividing 2 dy by dx both sides. So here 1 minus x square d2y by dx2, this is dividing, minus x dy by dx equals to 2 divided, that is m square y. Then which is right, proved. 1 minus x square dy by dx minus x dy by dx, that is proved. Next question number 18. Question number 18 is y equals to this, we have to prove this. Again differentiating with respect to x, question number 18. dy by dx equals to cosec x derivative minus cosec x cot x. Then cot x derivative is minus cosec square x equals to minus cosec x is common, cosec x plus cot x. dy by dx is this equals to minus cosec x. Cosec x is 1 by cosec x. Value of this is y. This value is y. Cosec x into y. That is dy by dx equals to minus y by sin x. Let this is as a equation. This is dy by dx. You have to find d2y by dx. Now sin x coming right hand side. Sin x. Keep it here. Then sin x dy by dx equals to minus y. Now differentiate again, differentiate respect to x. Sin x is constant. d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx is constant. Sin x derivative is cos x equals to minus y derivative is dy by dx. Now we have to prove dy by dx. Sin x d2y by dx2 plus minus equals to minus dy by dx is common 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x equals to dy by dx value is minus 1 by sin x into dy by dx value, put it here, minus 1 by sin x, 1 plus cos x minus plus, that is y, 1 by sin x is cosec x, cos x by sin x, cot x. It is sin x so cosec x plus cot x value is y, that is equals to y into y, that is y square, that is sin x d2y by dx2 is this proved. It is proved, that's why you have to got cosec x plus cot x value is y, y into y is y square, sin x d2y by dx2 is y square. Next question number 19. It is x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. We have to prove d2y by dx2 is this. It is, so let's do differentiating respect to x. Question number 19. 2x by a square plus 1 by b square, y square derivative 2y dy by dx equals to 0. Then dy by dx equals to minus 2x by a square into, this is coming, b square by 2y, that is minus b square by a square into x by y. Keep it at a as a. So dy by dx value implies dy by dx equals to this. Now again derivative with respect to x, d2y by dx2 equals to, take minus b square by a square constant and derivative x by y, division derivative, that is y square, y into x derivative 1 minus x constant dy by dx. Keep it here, that is minus b square by a square y square, y minus x, dy by dx value, put it here, that is minus b square by a square into x by y, that is minus b square by a square y square minus plus y plus x square b square by a square y square. A square y equals to minus b square by a square y square, a square y square plus b square x square by a square y. Equals to minus b square by a 4y cube into a square y square plus b square x square, divide a square b square into a square b square, because this divide this into equals to a square and a4 cancel, that is a square, that is minus b4 by a square y cube, this by this means you can take this by this is x square by a square plus y square by b square. Value is 1, that is minus b4 by a square y cube, that is d2y by dx2. Value is this, that is proved. Because x square by a square y square b square value is 1. Put it here. Next question number 20. This is implicit form x equals to a 1 plus cos theta, y equals to b1 plus theta plus sin theta. Let's differentiate respect to theta. Question number 20. dx by d theta equals to a minus sin theta, a that is minus sin theta, and this is dy by d theta, a 1 plus cos theta. We have to find dy by dx, then dy by dx equals to a 1 plus cos theta by minus a sin theta, that is minus 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta submultiple this minus here 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, 2 cancel, cos cancel, then implies dy by dx equals to minus cot theta by 2. Let this is a, keep it here, dy by dx is minus cot theta by 2. Now again derivative, we have to get second order derivative, d2y by dx2 equals to d theta of minus cot theta by 2 into d theta by dx. It is theta, that's why d theta of this. Cot theta differentiation is minus cosec theta. Cot theta differentiation is minus cosec square theta. That is minus cosec square theta by 2 into half. And d theta by dx is 1 by minus a sin theta. This minus a plus, that is minus keep outside, cosec square theta by 2 by a sin theta. Cosec square theta by 2 minus a sin theta. You have to find at theta equals to pi by 2. So put it here, d2y by dx2 at x theta equals to pi by 2 equals to minus cosec square theta by 2 cosec square pi by 4 by a sin pi by 4, that is minus cosec square pi by root 2, that is 2 by a. So d2y by dx 2 by, here is half, denominator is 2 into 2, that is minus 1 by a. Therefore d2y by dx2 equals to minus 1 by a. That's all. Next question number 21. Y equals to a log x plus 1. It have to prove we have to this. Here y2 y1. Here y2 means d2y by dx2 and y1 is dy by dx. y1, y2. Now, question number 21. Y equals to log of x plus root over of x square plus y square. Now differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx, log x, treat as x, 1 by x plus root over of x square plus y square. By chain rule, 1 plus 1 by 2 root over of x square plus y square, x square plus y, here this is a square. X square plus a square, and x square derivative is 2x. 2 cancelled. That you can write 1 by x plus root over of x square plus a square. This is x plus root over of x square plus a square by square root of x square plus a square. This and this cancelled. That is, so dy by dx value 1 by root over of x square plus a square. Keep it, dy by dx value is this. Then again derivative d2y by dx2, again different, this is dy by dx, again derivative second times, u by v root over of x square plus a square whole square, root over of x square plus a square constant, 1 with derivative is 0, minus 1 is constant, derivative of denominator 1 by 2 root over of x square plus a square into 2x. Then this is coming here, that is x square plus a square d2y, that is d2y by dx2 means y2 we can write. This is y2 equals to minus 1 by root over of x square plus a square into x, these two cancel, and values this dy by y1, that is minus x by y1, that is x by xy, 1 by this is y1, xy1, then x square plus a square y2 plus x y1 equals to 0, proved. Next, sum number 22. Question number 22. Y equals sin x to the power tan x plus cos x to the power sec x. Find dy by dx. Question number 22. Here y equals to sin x to the power tan x plus cos x to the power sec x. Let u equals to sin x to the power tan x and v equals to cos x to the power sec x. Then y equals to u plus v implies dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. If this is a, we have to prove this. We have to find this. Here u equals to this, you have to take log u tan x log of sin x. Then differentiating respect to x, 1 by u du by dx tan x is constant, log sin x is derivative 1 by sin x into cos x, plus log sin x is constant, tan x is derivative is sec square x. Okay, equals to tan x is sin x by cos x plus into cos x by sin x plus log of sin x sec square x du by dx equals to u into this. That equals to u means sin x to the power tan x, u value, that is 1 plus log of sin x into sec square x. Keep it, du by dx, value this he got. Similarly, log v equals to sec x log of cos x. Again differentiating respect to x. 1 by v dv by dx, uv, sec x is constant, log cos x, that is 1 by cos x is derivative minus sin x, plus log of cos x is constant, sec x is derivative tan x sec x, plus log of cos x is constant, sec x is derivative tan x sec x. That is dv by dx equals to v minus tan x sec x plus tan x sec x log of cos x. V means, we know v is cos x to the power sec x. V is cos x to the power, v is cos x to the power sec x. Cos x to the power sec x. Here tan x sec x is common. That is log of cos x minus 1. Now we have to find dy by dx. This is dv by dx and this is du by dx. Now we have to find dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx, implies dy by dx equals du by dx and value this sin x to the power tan x 1 plus sec square x log of sin x plus d by dx value cos x to the power sec x, you can keep separately, plus cos x to the power sec x tan x sec x log of cos x minus 1. That is the value of dy by dx. Okay, let's make a note of the sums, and if you like my videos, please subscribe. Okay, thank you.